打喷嚏、流鼻水，秋冬最怕染上感冒，但今年新冠肺炎还没走，又有新病毒来搅局。
Over the last 10 days, we've had over 100 kids that have come in with RSV into our system, which is really unprecedented.
所谓的 RSV 就是呼吸道融合病毒，症状其实类似感冒，包括像是流鼻水、食欲不振、咳嗽、打喷嚏以及发烧。医师更提醒，出现这个症状赶紧就医。
Obviously, if your child looks blue around their mouth or lips or their fingernails, that's a really serious sign and you should seek medical care right away.
光是美国从8月开始，病例急剧攀升，最近1周就出现7300多例，创下2年多来高峰。目前全美有74%的儿科病床全满，部分儿童医院甚至没有病床，只能临时搭起帐篷，利用更多空间。
We're socially distanced, that we're wearing masks for a long time, properly so, and we needed to do that to prevent COVID infections. But now these viruses are capturing a population that is completely not used to them.
由于过去2年戴口罩、保持社交距离，让孩童免于染上新冠病毒的同时，却让身体免疫力对其他病毒下降。为了不让 RSV 病毒趁虚而入，像是勤洗手、消毒环境以及不共享物品等，一样是预防准则。
Vast majority of children who get this will not need hospitalization, will not get that sick.
随着疫情政策松绑 ，RSV 感染个案陆续涌现。专家提醒，婴幼儿必须特别注意，不想被病毒传染，做好个人卫生，才能避免疾病上升。三立新闻黄泉报道。